Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the poem Know Then Thyself by the writer Alexander Pope. This poem is an extract from Pope's famous poem Essay on Man. In this extract, the poet tries to make a study of man. He says that it is useless for man to explore the ways of God. The mysteries of God are beyond the scope of human intellect. Therefore, the proper study of mankind is man himself. Man is the greatest enigma on this earth. His mixture of opposites. He has in him godly as well as beastly qualities. It would be enough for man if he was able to analyze this wondrous creature. Pope called this creature the glory, jest, and riddle of the world. Now we will explain the poem stanza in a stanza way. In the first stanza, the writer says that you should then know then yourself. Do not try to scan God. The proper study of mankind is man. Man is placed in middle position. He is wise but lives in dark. He is great but becomes petty in his behavior. He has too much knowledge and yet remains a skeptic. He takes pride in being and stoic, but has too many weaknesses. In stanza number 2, the writer explains that man ever remains in a state of uncertainty. He hangs in doubt whether he should lead a life of action or one of ease. He doesn't know whether he should think himself a god or a beast. In this way, man is a strange paradox that can't be described by any single name. In stanza number 3, Pope says that man is a confused mass of thought and passion. He remains all confused. He keeps using himself in good as well as bad ways, He is created half to rise and half to fall. He is great Lord of all things, yet he himself falls a prey to all these things. He is the sole judge of truth on this earth, yet he keeps erring endlessly. Man is, in fact, the glory, jest, and riddle of the world. So, the writer wants to say that in a sum up way, before starting to scan anything or God, we have to first of all tries to analyze ourselves, tries to analyze our qualities, disqualities, merits and demerits. It's the conclusion of this poem. Before going to worship in any place in any temple, we have to analyze ourselves in a good way. Manage a paradox, riddle, glory, and conundrum of this world. That's all what the writer wants to say in this poem. Thank you, all of you.